Miniacs, let's talk about the all-electric 2025 Mini Cooper SE, the J01, the one that's not coming to the US. On paper, it's the next-gen mini EV, but under the surface, this thing is packed with engineering surprises, design choices, and quirky little facts that even most Mini fans haven't heard about yet. So let's dig in, because this car is more than just a reboot, it's a rewire. It's Mini's first car on a dedicated EV platform, co-developed with Great Wall Motors, unlike the last Cooper SE, which was basically a gas Mini with a battery stuffed in. The J01 is completely new underneath. It's built on an EV-specific platform co-developed with Great Wall Motors, as part of the Spotlight Automotive joint venture. That means everything from the floor pan to the cooling system was designed with electrons in mind, not gasoline. This platform is not BMW's FAAR, and it's not Volkswagen's MEB. This one's Mini only, and it's built for purpose. The J01 is built in China at one of BMW's most advanced EV plants. Production happens at, and I apologize if I butcher this, Spotlight's Zhangjiagang plant, purpose-built for Mini's new EV generation. It's a high-tech, high-efficiency facility jointly run by BMW and Great Wall, designed from the ground up to build small premium EVs. That means Mini's most futuristic hatch isn't British or even German. It's a global collaboration, engineered to take on the EV age from the ground up. The motor and gearbox are tuned for Mininess, not just efficiency. Mini didn't just drop in an off-the-shelf electric motor. The permanent magnet motor is tuned with an extra aggressive torque curve and a unique throttle mapping that gives the car that signature Mini zip. There's even a simulated gear feel in sport mode, where the power delivery mimics gear changes just to keep things engaging. No actual gearbox, but it still feels playful. The interior uses recycled bottles, ocean plastic, and no leather at all. The J01 is Mini's first leather-free production car, and it doesn't stop there. The seat fabrics are made from recycled PET bottles, the mats are made from salvaged fishing nets, and even the steering wheel is wrapped in a plant-based synthetic material. It's full sustainability, wrapped in a very premium-looking package. The OLED screen is round for nostalgia, but the OS is completely new. That giant center screen isn't just for looks, it's a 240mm OLED running Mini Operating System 9, a custom interface built on Android. There's a new experience mode system with themed animations, sounds, and colors. It even has Mini's own voice assistant triggered by Hey Mini, with an optional digital bulldog mascot called Spike. The J01 comes in two versions. Cooper E, which is 184 horsepower with a 40.7 kilowatt-hour usable battery, and the Cooper SE with a 218 horsepower, 54.2 kilowatt-hour usable battery. Range is around 190 miles for the E and up to 250 miles WLTP for the SE. That's a big jump over the outgoing model, and DC fast charging at up to 95 kilowatts means 10 to 80% in around 30 minutes. It's the first Mini with a fully flush front fascia. Say that 5 times fast. No grille needed. Because the J01 doesn't need a traditional radiator, the front grille is now sealed and designed purely for aero. There's a small lower intake for cooling electronics, but the rest is clean, smooth, and totally modern. It's the most dramatic face change Mini's done since the original 2001 R50. So, the 2025 Mini Cooper S J01 might not be coming to the US, but that doesn't mean it isn't a big deal. It's the first clean sheet electric Mini. It's smarter, quicker, more efficient, and built with the kind of detail that shows Mini gets what makes their car special. It's not perfect, but it's exciting, and it just might be the start of Mini's second golden era. What do you think? Would you import one if you could, or are you waiting to see what comes next? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if you're obsessed with all things Mini, and subscribe to the Miniac for deep dives, history, and hidden gems from the best small cars on Earth.